Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing good today. As you know, today is 16th of July and our block 9 is almost over. So there is no any lesson plan left to teach you today, right? So what we will do today, we are going to discuss the practice question and as well as the questions which are given in the workbook. So we will discuss the four lesson plan workbook in workbook, lesson plan S1, S2, S3, S4, and your practice question 1 to 8, right? So let's start. So this is the discussion video of social studies block 9 calendar resources. Please keep ready your resources such as your content book, workbook volume 2, notebook, pencil and eraser. These are the practice question number 1 to 8. I hope you have done few questions in your notebook or in your book itself. If it is not, if you have done all the question in your notebook, no problem. So you can match the answer of all the questions, and if there is any doubt, you can clear it. Question number 1 and 2. Read the calendar and answer the question. How many Saturdays are there in June? You have to look at the June's calendar. How many Saturdays are there here? Can you look at here? There are 5 Saturdays. 2, 9, 16, 23, 30. Right? How many Saturdays are there in August? Look at the August. Saturdays are written in the last SA. It is on 4th, 11th, 18th, 25. There are 4 Saturdays. Right? If Janmashtami is 3 days after Independence Day, means on what date it will come. So Independence Day is on 15th of August, and just calculate after 3 days from 15th of August, 16, 17, 18. It will fall on 18th of August. Write true or false. There are 15 months in a year. Is it true? No, false. Correct. February has 29 days, once every 4 years. Once in every 4 years. Yeah, it's true. There are 10 days in a week. There are 10 days in a week? No, false. It will be false. So look at here. Answer 1. Answer 1A. There are 5 Saturdays in June, and B. There are 4 Saturdays in August, and C. The date will be on 18th of August. Just 3 days after 3 days of Independence Day is Janmashtami, means it is on 18th of August. Answer 2. A. False. B. True. C. False. Let's move. What should we keep in mind while making the events on a calendar? Fourth, mark the different festival or events that you celebrate in the year 2018 on a calendar. Fifth, how can we show some important events or festival on a timeline? Answer A. First, we should find the months on events, the month the event occurs in. Then we should look for the date of the event within that month. And next, we need to look for the day. Now we can mark the date on the calendar. These are the process. Answer fifth. So what we will do while making a timeline? First, we draw a line. Then we divide that line into 12 equal parts for the 12 months. Next, we write the months in order from January to December, and after that Finally, we write the festivals above the months in which they occur. Right? Answer 4, I have done it practically. You just look at how we have done it. Yeah, look at here. And this is answer 4. I have drawn a line and it divided in 12 equal parts. Can you see here? Right. And downside is the months. It is divided in 12 equal parts of 12 months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Right? So, New Year, it falls in January. Mahashivratri, it comes in February. Holi comes in March. Good Friday comes in April. Sometime it comes end of the March. And Buddha Purnima, it comes on it comes in the month of May. June, July, these 2 months are empty. Independence Day, it comes in the month of August. There is no festival in September. Gandhi Jayanti falls in October. November is also free. Guru Nanak Jayanti, it comes in December, right? So this is the timeline. How does it make it? If the process is given in answer 5. I have already read for you. Look at here, write question number 6, 7, and 8. 6, write any one way in which timelines are useful for us. 7, number the steps to make a calendar in the correct order. Write the month. A month. Okay. Month. Take a drawing sheet. Take the drawing sheet will come in the first. Mark the important days. No. Write the days of the week. So take a drawing sheet and then write the days of a week. And use a ruler to draw 7 vertical columns and 5 horizontal. This will come on second number. Take a drawing sheet in first number. Use a ruler to draw 7 vertical columns. This will come on second number. And after that, uh, write the month. It will come on third number. And write the days of the week. It will come on fourth number. Fill in the dates, fifth number. Mark important days, sixth number. Look at here. What happened if there were no calendars? Write one way in which you can use a calendar in your daily life. Here, look at here. Question answer number 6. Timeline show us events on or dates in order in which they occur. This is very important to know what happened first and what happened later. Right? I'll repeat for you. Timelines show us the events or dates in order in which they occur. This is very important to know what happened first and what happened later. Answer 7. Write the month. It will come on sixth number. Third number. Take drawing sheet the first. Otherwise, if you look at take a drawing sheet first, we take the drawing sheet, and secondly, what we do, we use a ruler to draw 7 vertical columns and 5 horizontal rows. And thirdly, we write the month. Fourthly, we write the days of the week. And on the fifth number, we fill the dates in the column. And at the last, we mark the important dates. These are the process. Answer 8. What is the question? What would happen if there were no calendar? Write one way in which you can use a calendar in your life, daily life. Let's see. People would not know about what happened yesterday or today. if there will be no calendar, the people would not know about what happened yesterday or today. If there are no calendars, right, we would not be able to manage our or organize our time. I can use a calendar to mark my important classes and exams, right? So these are the use of calendar. Without calendar, it will be very difficult. Now let's start doing the workbook. Filling the blanks. There are 12 months in a year. There are 7 days in a week. A will be 12, B will be 7, and there are 30 and 31 days in a month, right? Read the calendar for the given months and answer the questions that follows. January, February, March, 3 calendars are given. Okay, A. Which are the months and the year? Given months. Okay, which are the months and the year? So the months are January, February, and March, and year is 2018. How many Friday? How many Fridays are there in January and March? Right. In January, if you look at the Friday, so 5th, 12th, 19th, and 26th. There are 4 Fridays in January and 5 Fridays in the March. And on what days is 14th March? On what days in 14th March? Look at the 14th March in March calendar. It is a Wednesday. On 14th March is a Wednesday, right? If 15th August is on Wednesday this year, will it fall on the same day next year? Give a reason for your answer. No, it will not fall on the same days in the next year, because the days which is given in this month will be changed in the next year, right? I'll show you. Answer 1, 12, A 12, B 7, C 30 and 31. Answer 2, A months January, February, March and year 2018. B January and 4, 4 March, 4 Friday in March, 4 Friday in January and 5 Friday in March. C. The day is Wednesday on 14th of March. Answer 3. No, it is not necessary that if the 15th August is on Wednesday this year, it will fall on the same day next year. Since the first day of the new year might begin with a different day, the other days in the year will be changed too. Right? Next. S2. Read here, calendar. So November calendar is there. What day is it on 14th November, and how many Fridays are there in this month, right? How many Fridays? There are 5 Fridays has been given. Mark the event by circling them on the following month on the calendar, right? March 22, World Day for Water. October 2, Gandhi Jayanti. September 5th, Teacher's Day. Third, write one similarity and one difference between the English calendar given above and the Hindu calendars given below. Right, let's move. Answer 1, A, Wednesday, and B, 5 Fridays. Answer 2, in March on 14th, 22nd March. I have marked 22 March, the World Water Day, and 5th September is marked as a Teacher's Day, and 2nd October is marked as Gandhi Jayanti, right? Answer 3, similarity. Both the calendar divide in a year into months and both have dates. Difference, the Hindu calendar has different names for the days of the week that English calendar and than the English calendar. Okay. S3. The October month calendar is given here. You have to mark the given festival on the calendar. 2nd October, 6th October Eid Juha, 3rd October Dussehra, 25th October Bhai Dooj, and 23 October Diwali. Let's see, I have marked for you. 2nd October Gandhi Jayanti, 3rd October some festival is there, and 6th October Bhai Dooj, 23 October Diwali, 25th October, 3rd October is Dussehra, 25th October is Bhai Dooj, right? 6th October is Eid al-Juha. 6th October is also marked. Question number 3. Look at here. You have to just mark this festival, show the festival on timeline, right? And how do timelines help us? Write any one way here. A timeline is a line for seeing time. It helps us to show events or dates in, in the order in which they occur, right? Look at your answer 2. This is a timeline. Holi will come in the month of March. Diwali will come in the month of October. Guru Nanak Jayanti and Christmas will come in the month of December. Write any 3 ways events that you would like to mark on a calendar. Okay, any 3 events you have to show, and look at the pictures and write the steps for making calendar. Okay, first, second, first will take a sheet of paper. Second, this will B will come in second, and I'll show you, right? And third question, write 2 ways in which you think a calendar is useful to us. Here, first answer 1. A. My best friend's birthday. Right? B. My trip to visit my grandfather. C. My art classes. These are the events that has to be marked. Answer 2. A. Take a sheet of paper. B. Use a ruler to draw 7 vertical columns and 5 horizontal rows. C. Write the months. D. Write the days of a week. E. Fill in the dates. F. Mark the important dates. Answer 3. A calendar helps us to organize our time. It helps us to remember important events of our life. Right? Okay, almost over. Our discussion is over. Now, tomorrow there will be a block assessment. You have to be ready for the block assessment, right? So please prepare block 9 as for the block assessment. Tomorrow evening link will be open 5 in between 5 to 8. So tomorrow evening the link will be open in between 5 to 8. So get ready for the block assessment and prepare well, right? So thank you very much. Please do honestly the work which is given to you. God bless you. We will meet in the next video.